The human body depends heavily on vitamin B12, which is an important nutrient. It maintains the nervous system in good working order and aids in the synthesis of red blood cells. It's crucial to keep in mind that our bodies cannot produce vitamin B12 on their own. Instead, we must get this vitamin from the foods we eat. Unfortunately, a significant portion of the adult population does not get enough of this crucial vitamin, which can result in a variety of mental and physical health issues. This is referred to as a vitamin B12 deficiency, and it can cause a lot of the symptoms and indicators that you might be dealing with. There is one that not many people are aware of, so make sure to watch to the very end. If you're ready, let's get started. First though, I kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to this channel. It is very important for us. Thank you very much. Increased tiredness is the first sign of a vitamin B12 deficiency to be aware of. One of the most prevalent indicators of a vitamin B12 deficiency is fatigue, because the synthesis of red blood cells is aided by this vitamin. Hemoglobin, a component of red blood cells, is responsible for carrying oxygen to all other bodily tissues and cells. Hence, insufficient vitamin B12 intake prevents the body from producing enough red blood cells, which makes it more difficult to carry oxygen throughout the body. This makes you feel weak and exhausted, which is why one of the most typical indicators of a vitamin B12 deficiency is elevated fatigue. Pale skin is another indicator to watch out for. Individuals with low vitamin B12 levels typically have pale or slightly jaundiced skin. The function that vitamin B12 plays in the synthesis of red blood cells is another reason for this symptom. The pigmentation on your skin becomes paler due to a lack of red blood cells in circulation. A vitamin B12 deficiency can also lead to an overabundance of bilirubin, a brownish material produced by the liver. Excess bilirubin can cause your skin to become discolored, either yellow or jaundiced. Mood swings are another sign to look for. This is because research indicates that vitamin B12 deficiency is associated with elevated homocysteine levels, which may damage brain tissue and interfere with brain signal transmission. In the end, this may result in emotional instability and mood swings. Additionally, vitamin B12 deficiency has been linked in certain instances to mood disorders like dementia and depression, according to research. The next warning sign on our list is vertigo. As was previously mentioned, anemia from a vitamin B12 deficiency can cause feelings of shortness of breath. This can eventually cause you to feel weak, lightheaded, and unsteady, which is why dizziness is frequently a sign that your body is deficient in vitamin B12. Again, it all goes back to a reduction of red blood cells in the body. Another symptom to watch out for is blurred vision. I already stated that deficiencies in vitamin B12 can cause harm to the nervous system. This includes the optic nerve, a collection of over 1 million nerve fibers that transmit sensory data necessary for vision. A disruption in this transmission can lead to optic neuropathy, which is why people deficient in vitamin B12 may have problems with their vision, including blurriness or disturbance. Although it can be concerning to experience blurred vision, taking a vitamin B12 supplement has been demonstrated to reverse this undesirable symptom. Always talk to your doctor before following this advice, though, because he knows more about your condition and can tell you about the risks, benefits, and recommended doses. Tingling in your hands or feet is another typical symptom that you might encounter. As you can see, a vitamin B12 deficiency frequently results in nerve damage. Your hands and feet may experience tingling or numbness as a result of nerve damage. The formation of myelin, a fatty substance that surrounds nerves and acts as both insulation and protection, is significantly influenced by vitamin B12. Your body produces less myelin when it is deficient in vitamin B12, which impacts the nervous system and may be the cause of any tingling sensations you are experiencing. Though there are other possible explanations for this symptom, I wanted to draw your attention to the possibility that it could result from insufficient vitamin B12. Now, let's move on. If you have trouble focusing, this may be a sign that your body is lacking in vitamin B12. This is referred to as a cognitive impairment in technical terms, which means that you might find it difficult to focus when thinking or reasoning. Memory loss is one aspect of it as well. Dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease have all been related in some studies to vitamin B12 deficiencies. This kind of cognitive decline is thought to be associated with reduced oxygen delivery to the brain, once more as a result of a deficiency in red blood cells. You might be deficient in vitamin B12 if you've noticed changes in your range of motion. Also, waiting too long for treatment could make it harder for you to keep your balance and coordinate your movements, which makes it more likely that you will make mistakes that hurt you badly. As we previously covered in this video, nerve damage brought on by a deficiency in vitamin B12 is the cause of this again. Although this symptom is more prevalent in the elderly, it can also affect younger people, particularly if there has been a prolonged vitamin B12 deficiency in the body. Please keep in mind that we are not medical specialists and that this is only an instructive video. Appetite loss is the next symptom on our list. When your body does not get enough vitamin B12, it can also have an impact on your digestive system. Your gut receives less oxygen when there are fewer red blood cells in your body. Diarrhea and nausea may arise from an oxygen shortage in this area. People with a vitamin B12 deficiency frequently experience a loss of appetite as a result of these symptoms and digestive issues, which can negatively affect the body in a variety of ways. I also want to draw your attention to another symptom, which is mouth pain. Glossitis is the term for the condition you may have noticed if your tongue appears swollen, inflamed, or red. You guessed it. A vitamin B12 deficiency is frequently associated with this condition. Your speech and eating patterns may even be impacted by the uncomfortable and painful inflammation in your mouth. It's possible that the discomfort and painful inflammation in your mouth will change the way you talk and eat. Please quickly do me a huge favor by hitting the like button. I sincerely appreciate it, and it helps support the channel. Millions of people worldwide are attempting to evade the warning signs and symptoms of a potential vitamin B12 deficiency. With any luck, the knowledge you gained from this video will enable you to achieve that. However, keep in mind that we are not doctors and that the information in this video should not be taken as such. Once more, this video is purely informative, but hopefully you took away some valuable lessons and are now one step closer to enhancing your general health and consequently your overall quality of life. I sincerely appreciate you staying to the very end. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.